Our goal today is to not play into that tree. Zoom! What should I film, the dog or the plane? Plane, dog, pilot. I only have 3 choices. Nice one.
Hey. Hey.
Dog likes to chase planes like no other.
Fiji, come here. Hey. Come here.
Wait.
Did you say wait?
Yeah, we need to do a takeoff from the golf cart. Yeah, that's good. He can keep up with it. Well, all the other dogs, they give up, but this one, he has heart. He keeps going. Get him, doggy. Sweatpants are like taking the elevator on the cruise ship. You just totally given up. The plane's still in the air. What's up? There he goes. Just that little hum. Sounds like a happy plane to me. Oh, that's vicious. Good job, pilot. You got a lot of heart, man. You never gave up.
I actually fed him a little steak earlier, so I'm gonna go let him drink a minute.
You're not gonna get any girlfriends with all that slobber.
Some girls are into that sort of thing. And she's a girl, so she's going for the guys. Is that good water, Fiji? Is that good water?
A gallon isn't too much. He just keeps going.
Good Salt Lake. Kind of doing the doggy door a little bit. Fiji, look at the duck. Get it.